Today, I'll walk you through step by step how to use the Kanban board view in ClickUp to visually manage your tasks and keep your entire workflow running smoothly in one clear, organized space. ClickUp's board view gives you a classic Kanban style layout, columns for each status, cards for each task, which makes it remarkably easy to see where every piece of work stands at a glance, spot bottlenecks before they become problems, and keep your team moving forward. If you find this helpful, please give it a like and hit subscribe so you never miss a tutorial, and let's get started. Before we jump into ClickUp itself, it's worth taking a moment to understand what a Kanban board actually is, because the concept will make every step feel far more intuitive. Kanban originated in Japanese manufacturing. The word literally means visual board, and the idea is simple. Instead of a long, flat list of tasks, you arrange work in columns that represent stages such as to do, in progress, and done. Each task is a card that moves from left to right as it advances through your workflow. This visual model makes it immediately obvious which work is waiting, which is active, and what has been completed. And that clarity is far more useful in practice than scrolling through an endless list. With that in mind, the first thing you need to do is open ClickUp and sign into your account. Once you're inside, use the left sidebar to navigate to the space, folder, or list you want to manage. If you're not sure which level to open, a good rule of thumb is to use a list when you're focused on a single project, and a folder or space when you want to track work across several projects at once. Choosing the right level from the start means your board will show exactly the tasks that matter to you, without noise from unrelated work cluttering the view. With your chosen location open, you're ready to switch into the board view. Look at the top of the screen and you'll see a row of view tabs, options like List, Calendar, or Gantt, depending on which views you've already added. Click the one labeled Board. If it isn't visible yet, don't worry. ClickUp lets you customize which views appear to keep your workspace uncluttered. Simply click the plus icon labeled Add View, scroll through the available options until you find Board, select it, and then click Add View to confirm. ClickUp will remember this view going forward, so you only need to complete this setup once per list or folder. One small thing to keep in mind: if your workspace is on a free plan, certain advanced board features may be restricted, so it's worth checking your plan if anything looks different from what you see here. Once the board view loads, take a moment to orient yourself before you start moving anything around. The columns running across the screen correspond directly to your task status, the stages you've defined for your workflow, such as open, in progress, in review, and closed. Each card sitting within a column represents a single task. If a column looks empty or completely overflowing, that's already useful information. An empty in progress column might indicate your team has spare capacity, while an overflowing one is a signal worth investigating. You can click any task card to open its detail panel, where you'll find the full description, assignees, due dates, priority settings, comments, and attachments. Everything related to that task in one place without having to leave the board. Here is where the real power of the Kanban approach becomes tangible. Drag and drop. To advance a task from one stage to the next, simply grab the card and drag it into the appropriate column. Click Up will automatically update the task status to match wherever you drop it, which means there's no need to open the task, locate the status field, and change it by hand. That small efficiency adds up quickly across a busy team or a complex project. As a best practice, try to limit how many cards sit in any single column at once. This concept is called a work in progress limit, and it keeps your team focused by preventing the common trap of starting too many things simultaneously without finishing any of them. A few more habits will help you get the most out of this view over time. Use the filter bar at the top of the board to narrow down what you see. For example, filter by assignee to review one person's workload, or by due date to catch anything that's slipping behind schedule. If your current statuses don't accurately reflect how your team actually works, now is a great time to revisit them. Meaningful stage names like waiting for client feedback or in development are far more useful at a glance than vague labels. And make it a regular habit to review your Kanban board. A focused 5-minute scan each morning is often all it takes to spot a blocked task, reassign work, or simply confirm that things are moving as they should. By completing these steps, you've successfully set up and started using the ClickUp Kanban board view. You know how to navigate to the right location, add the board view, read your columns at a glance, dig into task details, and keep work progressing with simple drag and drop updates. The real benefit this brings is visibility. Instead of losing track of where things stand across scattered lists and notifications, you now have one living visual snapshot of your entire workflow. A great next step is to fine-tune your task statuses so they map precisely to your team's process, and to explore ClickUp's automation features, for instance, automatically shifting a task into a review column the moment someone marks it complete. Save this video and come back to it whenever you need a quick refresher. You've got everything you need to make this work.